All right, what's up, everybody? Hope you guys had a great day, had a good trading day, and everything like that. Just gonna do a market breakdown, a trade breakdown from my decision making and my performance today for you guys. Uh, so yeah, um, another loss, another losing day since I started doing these. Um, just been having losing days, and I haven't lost this much in a while. Feels like, and I'm not really quite entirely sure what it is, especially today because I follow my system, but hopefully, not hopefully, I will figure things out. Um, Things will get better, but I can save all that speech and talk for later. So basically, going into the day, I was bullish on NQ, as we had consolidated a lot the day before. Um, Not too much, real like solid movement. Um, and then we break the SMT and structure to the upside. I was looking for a continuation upon market open. So when the market opened, um, let me go to around market open. It's right around here. So when the market opened, New York Stock Exchange opened. We were looking like this. I was looking to see either the 5 or 15 minute low get taken, just for a continuation to the upside, and that has worked for me multiple times in the past. So that's why I went in the day with that bias, because I didn't see anywhere but here with like strong lows to get swept for me to then look for a bullish position to take a long. So we opened here, uh, and price consolidated, started to sell off. We take 5 minute low. So we take this low here on the 5 minute, creating a bullish divergence, because on ES we don't have that happen. So that the low doesn't get swept, the sell side level doesn't get swept, but it does on NQ. So that creates the bullish divergence. At this point, I'm willing to start looking for that continuation setup on the lower time frames, which is what we got here. I liked this setup. I really like this setup. I really like this setup. Please in the comments let me know if there's something I could have done better or anything like that. But I enter here. Um, Stop loss is at the new low, because this should be a protected low as it is in SMT. A bullish divergence from the way that I've been testing it and using it. Usually these lows are protected, so price breaks through, um, comes back up, retests it, the breaker, and then sells off to the downside. And then it takes this 15 minute, but then it keeps breaking down. And at this point, I'm thinking that so my thought process was that I may have just been early. I don't believe that this was a bad trade to take. Um, Seeing that this 1 hour low get taken was ideal, because last night I was seeing that price was right around here. Woke up early in the morning. And what I would have liked to see was price come back and sweep this before continuing to the upside. That would have been ideal, but that didn't happen. Price just continued, and it's now returning. I'm seeing that we may get some type of bullish structure formed here to maybe create a head and shoulders or anything like that. As structure to the downside hadn't been broken, so we get another bullish divergence formed, and it's so many bullish divergences where I'm like, okay, we take the low here, we don't on ES, and I'm like, okay, well, this is following my system to the T. This is following my system. I really like this structure. So I go down to the lower time frames. So I was looking to see it get taken, get displacement to the upside, a break of structure with displacement to the upside, creating an imbalance, which is what we get. Price does that, pulls back, gives me the entry that I'm looking for right here. Another A plus entry. Like I'm not understanding what is going on now. And um, take profit is not based off of like the buy side level. It's based off of not this. It's not gonna do this. Let me this so this standard deviation here. I have TP set here, and then stops at this low here, and price simply just disrespects it, and I'm like, okay, I'm done. Like I'm done for the day. I do not know what's going on. Took 2 losses. It's frustrating. It's my journal entry on it. I'm not. I think that possibly today I might have gotten on the charts a bit later than usual. Like usually I'm looking around like 8:30. Today I was looking around like 8:59, 8:50 or 9 a.m. And I don't know. Maybe there's something I'm trying to see, like what I was trying to see earlier is what I could have caught to make sure. Maybe like what would have changed my mind a bit. Looking at the high here, or even zooming out, we see that this high gets taken. It eventually, price doesn't sell off. It takes the high again, right? So it takes it here, and maybe this all this structure here is the sell model. I just don't see where I could have taken advantage. And not to say that I always have to have the opportunity, but seeing that this high gets put in, right, come down, create support level, price sweeps it, takes the high again, which is what you want to see around market open. I just didn't see it. I didn't see this. I was seeing it, but I didn't think anything really much of it. I'm thinking that we're still bullish, and price gives me an entry that follows a bullish or a buy model, so I took that. I don't really understand where the sell opportunity is within here. I'm really just struggling to figure that out. Maybe on like the seconds time frame, but I don't have that package, so we'll see. Um, as far as my account, it's I'm not in draw. I'm not in drawdown, but I've lost 3 days in a row. I think I might just be done. I might not take anything tomorrow. If I do, obviously I'll let you guys know. But yeah, thank you guys for joining. I will improve. Everybody stay well, stay disciplined, follow your plan, and you'll make money in the long run. I think that maybe this week, me breaking my rules on Tuesday, did hurt me a lot, mentally for the rest of the week. Just the things that the decisions that I made on Tuesday. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a great night. I'm sorry that I'm uploading this so late, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.